importante, James Yap.
Well, of course, Pure Foods up to now is still #1 in the league in terms of standings. And one of the main reasons is, of course, James Yap. James Yap, solid numbers all through Sunday Salvacion in their last game against Coca-Cola in a losing effort. Ito talaga yung nagdala dito sa Barangay Ginebra in the absence of Mark Kagiwa, shooting from the outside, trying to open up the lanes for his big men. Kinakailangan talaga isa
Big Dog dahil saksakan ng puno po itong Araneta Coliseum. And therefore, we have championship atmosphere. Dahil po championship
the PBA.
Yap, 4-3. Yes, sir! Dalawang isip ba yung bola?
Parang sabi ng bola, deal ba o no deal? Eventually sabi niya,
Bola na kay James Yap. James Yap, where's he going? He fires. And scores! Score the basket para kay James Yap. Good then. James Yap, former MVP with a spin away. Man with a million moves.
kita natin on that move, the conviction of James Yap on that spin move. He wanted that basket and he got it.
The man with a million moves, James Carlos Yap, unstoppable on that play. Pure Foods, nabangko ng anim. Salvador and Peter June Simon. Samantalang itong si Artadi nagmamadali. Hand off, Salvacion, and Salvacion will score.
That's a good job para dito kay Sunday Salvacion.
Side, sends it over to Salvacion. 4-3. Yes, sir! PM3 for Sunday Salvacion. Itong si Salvacion, tumulong si Makapasal. Here's Yap on the move. And he was caught dancing with the wrong pair of shoes.
But you know, Barangay Ginebra was the second time that Miguel Molina and Rich never won para sa ating bansa. Thank you and congratulations dito kay Miguel Molina. Energy guy, obviously J.R. Aquino could fill that role.
Wow!
Foul.
Bagsak doon si James Yap. Dalawang sumalubong sa kanya. And you touch the basket. Meantime, James Yap, second free throw is good. Sa loob ng big dome, si Mrs. James Yap, the one, the only, Chris Aquino, dala-dala ang kanilang sweet baby James. Of course, ito ang kanilang pinapanood, si Gunong.
Kayong nilagay ng Pure Foods pero sila pa rin nakakuha ng offensive rebound.
That is just a sweet move from James Yap. Oh, as we bring you our Buhay Coke shot brought to you by Coca-Cola, lahat ng shots magaganda at walang katulad. Kaya ang Buhay Coke, buksan mo. Ginebra looking for the go-ahead. Down by as many as 19 points, and Salvacion will give Ginebra its first taste of the lead. Sunday Salvacion pushes Ginebra ahead with that layup. Ginebra po third quarter. Here's James Yap. Yap, humihit. And what's the call? There's a foul down kanina pa. And that will send former MVP James Yap to the line. Daddy James.
Now that Pure Foods is #1, we're really praying na sana magtuloy-tuloy. And his dad has really been playing great. So sana maging MVP ulit.
As it Nick inabot, Salvacion fires. Salvacion got his own miss. And got the undergoal stab. Lucky break para sa Ginebra. Here's Elterbrand on the move. Salvacion. Yes, sir! DM3, that's a Sunday special.
We didn't mention all the shots seems to be big shots right
Against Tubig. Yap. Fires. Blocked. And it's last touch on Pure Foods. To Mink, because Andugol is in foul trouble. Elterbrand to Salvacion for 3. Yes, sir! That's a Sunday special! To Salvacion to save the day, a Sunday special. And Salvacion now with 21 points in the ball game.
second straight game na magandang nila ni Sunday Salvacion. He was the key dahil wala si Mark Kagiwa. Kailangan may pumutok sa wing and that guy was Sunday.